Listen, A mean more oxygen, I means less. Keep the family chart the same, no second guess. Learn the 8, drop a no when you know you're right. SO4 is sulfate, SO3 is sulfite. Start with the heavyweights, the ones on every test. Lock these 5 in your brain and you build the rest. Nitrate, NO3, -1, lock it down. Carbonate, CO3, -2 for the crown. Sulfate, SO4, -2, that's a fact. Phosphate, PO4, -3 in the back. Chlorate, ClO3, -1, keep it clean. Hey, memorize the base, now you know what they mean. Cause 8 need more oxygen, I mean less. Keep the family chart the same, no second guess. Learn the 8, drop a no when you know you're right. NO3 is nitrate, NO2 is nitrite. Let's run the chlorine ladder, keep the -1 charge. ClO4 is perchlorate, the oxygen is large. ClO3 is chlorate, standard base that you write. Drop a no ClO2, now you're at chlorate. Drop it one more ClO, hypochlorite at the core. Per is at the ceiling, Hypo's on the floor. On the floor. Yeah. Now step away from the oxygen, look at the outliers. Exceptions to the patterns that the teacher requires. Hydroxide is OH with a -1 charge. Cyanide is C and -1, clean and sharp. Bicarbonate, HCO3 -1, easy done. Hydrogen carbonate, 2 names, still 1. Acetate is long, C2H3O2, -1 at the end, yeah, the structure is new. Ammonium is different, it flips the script. NH4 +1, main positive chip. Cause they mean more oxygen, they means less. Keep the family chart the same, no second guess. Learn the 8, drop a no when you know you're right. NO3 is nitrate, NO2 is nitrite, yeah. NO2 is nitrite, yeah. Group them by the charge so your brain can react. -1 example, nitrate, chlorate, hydroxide intact. Every step of the chlorine ladder, that's a fact. Add cyanide, acetate, bicarbonate, memorize that. -2 sulfate, carbonate, holding the line. -3 phosphate, yeah, stand one of a kind. +1 ammonium, taking the lead. Write it down, sound it out, that's exactly what you need. Cause AB means more oxygen, I mean less. Keep the family chart the same, no second guess. Learn the 8, drop a no when you know you're right. NO3 is nitrate, NO2 is nitrite, add it. NO2 is nitrite, add it. Add it. NO2 is nitrite, add it.